You've probably heard me talk about time boxes a lot by this point in these videos. We have a time box for all meetings in Scrum. Even the sprint itself is time boxed. If your team has 2-week sprints, 2 weeks is the time box. A time box is a maximum, not a recommendation. So when I say that the Daily Scrum is time boxed to 15 minutes, that means it takes a maximum of 15 minutes. Why are time boxes so important in Scrum? Back in 1955, a British historian, Parkinson, noted that work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. This has since become known as Parkinson's Law. It means that the more time we have to do something, the more time doing it will take. Time boxes keep team members focused and create a sense of urgency, whether in a time box meeting or a time box sprint. The urgency creates a bit of pressure. Finish this within a certain amount of time. You don't want it to create so much pressure that team stress levels rise, just enough pressure to be aware of it. The 15-minute time box for a daily Scrum is plenty of time for most typical 7-person or so teams to synchronize their efforts. But the time box reminds them to be careful of going too deep into discussions during that meeting. The course you're watching is part of our Agile Skills video library. It includes full courses on writing better user stories, estimating, running retrospectives, fixing common Scrum team problems, and more. In fact, it brings together all 8 of our on-demand courses, normally $474 for just $99. That's lifetime access and no subscription. You get 214 lessons, 20 hours of practical guidance, 27 PDUs and SEUs, and every video now includes an AI Agile coach, so you can ask questions as you learn. Click the link on the screen or in the description to learn more. One of my favorite sayings is, "Be quick, but don't hurry." It comes from legendary college basketball coach John Wooden. He won 10 national championships in 12 years. He was an amazing coach. By "be quick, but don't hurry," Coach Wooden meant to get good at a task so you can do it quickly and confidently, and to do the work deliberately, but without feeling rushed, especially to the point where you make mistakes. The time boxes of Scrum are all quite sufficient for doing high-quality work. You want your team to execute them quickly, but without feeling hurried.